I'm Sean, this is Holly, and we're off to... Before I tell you where we're going to fly off to, let me tell you about the villain of this story. His name is Dennis. He made us quit our jobs, leave our home, and move out of the country. This is Dennis. Let me show you a couple of the cool details. So it has the original duct tape wing mirror, still from when I bought it. The duct tape has been improved from silver to black, which is all good. Let's get you into the car. Oh no, the lock is broken. Oh, what a shame. We've got this cool feature on here. Oh, listen to that purr. We've also got a load of cool little lights coming up. Close the door. We've got the nice little light telling us the airbags are not working. And we've also got the engine light on. That's a good start. We have a school little Scotland badge, but even Scotland doesn't want to be on it. That's my exhaust there. It shouldn't be that way around. This did say help me, but even the car can't get help now, so it's kind of it. So this is my car, guys. Hope you enjoy. Exhibit, please pimp my ride. So this gave us two options. Use our savings to fix him, or to buy a new car. We decided to choose option 3. Give 28 days notice on everything. Pack up our lives and travel the world. Oh, so here we are. There's Hol.
Smashed it.
Smashed it. Right, so we are now leaving for a backpacking adventure.
Yep.
We are off to, well, we'll tell you that on the train. We've now got about 20 trains to get because we're going down south for a week.
5.
5?
1, 2, 3, 5. 4 and a couple tubes.
So we've got quite a few, we've got a bit of a journey. We're going from Scotland, Glasgow to Edinburgh to London, across London to Colchester for today's journey.
East Kilbride to Glasgow.
East Kilbride as well, yeah. Yeah, it's a bit of a journey, but we are looking forward to this. This is part 1 of our massive trip. We're going to go off from there.
It's going to be so echoey.
To Europe.
Yeah.
So we'll talk to you more on the train, hopefully. If not, we'll talk to you in my sister's house. So we're on our trip to Edinburgh to London, and this is just part of our trip. We're going down to Essex for 8 days. We've packed up our lives now. We've put everything in the storage locker. That took us absolutely ages. About 28 days to pack up everything, wasn't it?
28 days?
What? What do you think?
Sean worked for an extra week and Holly packed up the entire house, and then Sean appeared for the last 4 days to help me get it into storage. Don't let him take the credit.
So Sean helped put everything in storage together in the dump. We have now got ourselves down to 1 big bag each and 1 hand luggage bag each, really. We are going to backpack around Europe, starting in Sofia in Bulgaria, and then making our way around to Macedonia, Kosovo, Albania, Montenegro, and we're going to go see some really obscure places as well, not just the normal places that people go to when they backpack. A budget of about £50 a day for 2 of us. We've booked our first stay in Sofia for £24 for a night in a hotel each night, so it's quite good. We're going to try and keep under a budget of £50. I'm going to start doing more videos on this channel, where before I used to publish a video every Friday. From now we're going to do videos 2 weeks after I film them. Well, 2 weeks after I put the camera down. So this video will be published 2 weeks after the end of this video. Now the idea is that you're going to have a more of a live schedule, so you get more of a real feel of what it's like being our travels. As you see, Holly is super happy that we're filming right now on this train. The next time you'll see us, I will be giving you a quick rundown of what we're doing in England. We've made it to the airport. You know what I said I was going to tell you a bit about like my week and how I plan to do stuff when I'm down south in England? Well, I didn't, because we just wanted to relax for a bit, didn't we? Yeah. What did we kind of do? We didn't do much. Saw family,
went to the zoo.
Yeah.
That's
That's about it. We're quite happy with that.
Yeah.
We are now at Stansted Airport, and you can probably tell with the airplanes in the background. Well, if you can see them, it's a bit light. We are about 2-3 hours early for our flight, like our usual stuff. I like being at the airport early. It's a comfort thing. I don't like being rushing around at the airport.
Even though we have never rushed about in an airport in our existence.
And we don't plan to.
You're not got 10 kilo on your back, you got about 4.
No, I've got about 10, I reckon.
No, you don't.
That's about 4, and that's about 4.
We weighed them last night,
Yeah.
that's 2.
Is it? All right, okay. So, as Holly was saying, she's got a 10-kilo bag on her back. This is a hand luggage bag. It's the cabin zero bag. We will tell you more about the bags tomorrow, because on our tomorrow's video, we're going to be doing a video about what we packed for this trip and what we have in our bags. Again, I've got Holly's other little bag as my hand luggage and another small little bag on me. It's got my cameras and stuff in it. Holly's also got my laptop on her back, which she's so happy about. But again, we go through all this tomorrow and talk to you about how we packed for the flight and how we're packing to travel, because we're slightly moving stuff around when we actually get off.
Yeah.
Because Holly doesn't want to be carrying my laptop the whole
I
time.
also didn't want to put any liquids through security.
Yes.
So we just packed them all.
Yeah, so it's quite easy. We'll probably end up more splitting what you have and what I have.
Yeah.
So it'd be quite good. So if you are looking at doing a long distance trip, maybe across Europe or just generally, it's going to be quite a good video for that, because we'll show you what you can and can't pack, especially if you have a lot of video equipment like myself. It's how to make other people carry it for you. Isn't that right, huh?
Waffle.
Is that too much waffle?
Waffle.
So we're now just going to head around the airport. We're going to show you a little bits and pieces around the airport, not too much. And we're next talk to you properly when we're in Bulgaria.
Yes.
It's going to be good. I'm looking forward to that.
Nice. It's 8 minutes past 8 to be precise.
Oh, nice. So there you go, guys. It's 8 minutes past 8, and we are now heading towards the metro. We looked this up just as
Sorry, you've not even told them where you're going.
Oh, what do you mean?
You didn't tell them.
Oh, I told them I'm in Sofia. Oh, did I not?
Don't think so.
I just told them in well, I'm in Sofia, guys. Welcome to Sofia's airport. We are heading to the metro and heading to our first hotel, and that's the Easy Hotel, EasyJet's hotel, big orange building in Sofia. How much was it a night? £23 a night?
£23 a night for both of us.
For both.
For a double room with a window. Because, you know, that's an option, to not have a window. Would you like to stay in it? There's a Costa coffee here, Emma.
There's a Costa coffee, which is really strange. So we checked the metro while waiting on the plane. The metro day ticket is about 80 cents, but just bear with me, because we don't know where we are. We need some food as well, because we haven't eaten since breakfast.
I think that sign's up.
Oh, it's gone up, yeah? Right, let's head to the metro. Did we just jump on a metro not knowing where we're going? Yes. Did it cost us 73p? Yes, which is quite cool.
Yeah.
So we are heading towards, where are we heading, Holly?
Don't have a whole difference.
It's on the screen for you guys, because pronunciation at the moment is going to be a little bit on the,
Dodgy side.
yeah. So,
We're on it for 45.
yeah, about
29 minutes, Sean.
29 minutes, okay, that's nice. That's not...
And then we've got a 4-minute walk
Oh, cool.
from the metro to the hotel.
So, what we do, guys, is we will get you to the hotel today, and then we will probably leave you there. But don't worry, there's going to be plenty more videos in this. But we're going to give you the first look at Bulgaria while we're here. Let me just do you a tour of our Easy hotel room. Alright, so we're in 7.6, which is on the 7th floor. And let me just go in. Oh, careful. Can't open the door too far.
I just realised the telly's up there.
That's the room, and that's the bed. That was one step, guys. Look, there's me at the door. The cabin portal, which you have to close that door, and there's a seat there if I need it. And this is the... That's the bathroom. There you go, guys. That is the tour of our hotel. Hope you all enjoyed it. We're going to go out and get some food now. So we'll show you what food we get. Tomorrow you'll see our bags and what we packed for this amazing trip. And then on Monday you will see Sofia and its pure glory and the next 4 days of us in Sofia. So let me just show you what we're going to get to eat now anyway. Let's show you what we've got. So we have a massive portion of chips, which is just in a container. 4 rolls, two different ones, so you pick those up. Some ketchup, some ham, and I've got some chocolate bars.
If you roll out the bed, you're stuffed.
I'm going to fall down, I'm going to stay down inside the bed.
Like, if you go down...
And 2 chocolate bars.
See, Sean picked this too.
Is that good?
Well, whatever it is, it sounds right.
Fireworks, let's hope. Maybe they're celebrating Easter. Anyway, so there we go. This is what we got: 2 rolls, 2 chocolate bars, a big portion of chips, some ham, and some ketchup.
Oh, these aren't. I need a knife.
We've got a knife. I'll get you a knife.
Oh,
a spork.
No, I've got a knife. Where's my wash bag?
Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this, and you're going to really enjoy this series of us backpacking Europe. Tomorrow you're going to get a video of us and seeing what's in our bags, and then on Monday you're going to get a video of us going around the town of Sofia, the city of Sofia. But more importantly, I'll see you again soon.
I'm not getting crumbs in my bed. I'm going on the floor.